na nababaw kabalen. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to SMJYN Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our SMJYN Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Cheese Tofu Pampanga for sending us their products. And on my table are some variations on how you can enjoy yung cheese tofu. So, we would like to show you in this vlog on how we can actually enjoy this. As a matter of fact, pwede natin siyang air fryer, you can heat it in a microwave oven, but you know, we want to go the next level on how we can enjoy more yung mga cheese tofu natin. So, cheese tofu nung pinadala nila sa atin is ayan, it looks like this. Now, when you slice it, doon mo makikita yung mga cheese bits na included dun sa ano. Anyway, let me taste this one. So, by the way, this is called broccoli cheese tofu in oyster sauce. Oh, di ba? What I like about this is mainly plant-based since it's tofu. Nakukuha natin dyan sa mga soy. Ayun nga, plant-based ang mga ganito. It's an alternative to your meat. So instead of, you know, those pricey beef, even pork, it's mahal na ngayon, di ba? Alternative and a healthy way of preparing this dish, cheese tofu. Naman ha? Grabe guys, karanap ko. The simplest way to enjoy this in a dish is, of course, sa simpleng pancit canton like this one. So you can, you know, top it, add ka lang ng, you know, isang egg. Anyway, let me taste this one na. So this is in its purest form. Kumbaga, this is just fried. Wala siyang ibang, you know, condiments na sinama since we are topping it on a pancit canton. In itself, it's good enough. Pero yun nga, you can really amplify it or as a component ng isang dish or menu kapag sinama mo siya sa dito. Okay, so this one is called creamy tofu a la king. Ayan. Good job dun sa mga nagluto ko. Thank you so much. Wow. It's very creamy. Plus yung mga corn natin dito. Tasty. Good job. And then lastly, guys, again, this is called sweet and sour tofu. So you get your vegetables sa mga sweet and sour dishes. Bell pepper, broccoli stems. You also have carrots, of course. Yung pinaka-star ng dish na to is cheese tofu. From a simple cheese tofu dish, you can amplify it. You can be creative as creative as you can, and then enjoy this with your family. It only requires a little bit of creativity and, you know, some experimental mind. So if you're interested to check out or, you know, taste yung cheese tofu, make sure to contact the numbers we're gonna be providing below, as well as the fan page. Make sure to check them out, like their page, and follow them for more updates. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next video. Peace. Bye, guys.